Morning and welcome to day 4, and what we're having for breakfast is chocolate Nirvana drink. And on our recipe we have the cocoa powder, we have the cinnamon, we have a half cup of Tigernuts, we have the Avocado Pear, we have the banana, we have banana. We're not going to be using the cucumber, by the way, but we're not going to choose either between the strawberry and the grape. Okay, you choose either the strawberry or the grape. So today I'll be just using the grape, but I believe two of them will also achieve the same results if you just take one of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do this morning is to mix all of these guys together into my high speed blender, and I will blend them into paste, and I will enjoy my breakfast. And don't forget, you need to have a big glass of smoothie to enjoy this breakfast. Not this kind of cup, this is quite small, but I'm going to be showing you on the screen right now what a big glass cup means. You can also save a little glass for your snacks, by the way. Okay, so let's quickly go into the mixing and enjoy our breakfast. So I'm going to start with the date. This is a half cup of date. I'll put it into my high-speed blender, and then I'm going to just get 1/4. 1/4 means if I divide this avocado pear before, but just take a quarter, so just 1/4 of this, and then just get this, okay, this should be enough. And then I'm going to get 1/4 of my ripe plantain. Just going to take this and then take this off. Okay, so I'll put this into my food. So I'm going to choose either the grape or the strawberry, but right now I'm choosing the strawberry. It's supposed to be a half cup, and I think 3 of these will make my half cup. Okay, and let me just make it 5. 5 should, by the way, yeah, 5 should make a half cup. So I'm just going to cut this. Let me watch this on the sink, by the way. Until they leave. Okay, so I had to rinse again to be sure. So I'll throw in that, and then I need it to be very tasty. So I'm just going to add a date to sweeten my smoothie, and then add cinnamon, 1/4 of cinnamon, okay. Then I'm going to be adding the cocoa powder, which makes up our major recipe. The chocolate is our main recipe. It's going to help us achieve that chocolate taste. So we're going to add the cocoa powder. Okay. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. Okay, this can go. Okay, so I think all my recipes are intact already. So I'm just going to add 2 cups of water. And then I will blend to paste. Remember, to achieve this, you need to use a high speed blender. Okay, so our smoothie is ready. Our chocolate Nirvana drink. This is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, like I said, I need to get a big glass cup. This is not actually big. I will also get a big cup to take the real one, but I'm just gonna have a taste. So right now I'm gonna just pour in my smoothie. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to just add the chia seed. Add some seed to make it look beautiful. Add some toppings. This out of my topping for my smoothie. And then voila, breakfast is ready. So this is what we'll have for breakfast. Get a big cup and enjoy the meal. Amazing. So thank you.